Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. This four-door truck has a 5-cylinder, 3.5-liter i5 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 145,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, and child seat anchors. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.